Tired of dirty pools and endless cleaning? In this video, we're diving into the best pool vacuums of 2025. From cordless convenience to powerful suction, we'll break down the top contenders so you can find the perfect fit for your pool. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Pool Blaster Centennial Cordless Pool Vacuum. When we tested the Pool Blaster Centennial, we were impressed by its efficiency and ease of use. Setup was quick and simple, allowing our tester to start cleaning in no time, with some help from the kids. This rechargeable handheld pool vacuum is designed for various uses, from inflatable pools to backyard bounce houses, making it a versatile and valuable tool. Weighing just 4 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver. According to its specs, it works in pools up to 12 feet deep and takes 4 hours to fully charge, delivering an estimated 45-minute runtime. If you have a small pool or spa, it's a great choice. For larger areas, it serves as a reliable alternative to a robotic pool cleaner. Number 2. Polaris Vac Sweep. This is a favorite among pool owners, with many repurchasing it after their first one lasts 15+ years. It's widely regarded as one of the best suction pool cleaners available. Many users call it bulletproof, praising its durability and ability to stay in the pool when not in use. Powered by water pressure from the pool's return line, this pressure side cleaner works on all pool types, making it a reliable choice. It climbs walls effortlessly, and its large inlet picks up debris from the pool floor. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't need an additional booster pump and can clean pools in under 3 hours. However, the mesh screen may require frequent wiping to maintain pressure, and the collection bag is quite small. The 31-foot hose is adjustable to fit different pool sizes. Number 3. Hayward Pool Verneugen. This is an excellent choice for large pools, offering 3 interchangeable throats to adjust suction power for optimal cleaning. It's especially well suited for variable speed pool pumps. With patented tire treads, this vacuum can climb walls and handle large debris, making it ideal for 20 by 40 foot in-ground pools. Its treaded wheels allow it to navigate uneven surfaces with ease, though its bulky design makes corner cleaning less effective. To ensure even coverage, the pre-programmed internal steering sequences periodically reverse the left wheel, enabling the vacuum to change direction automatically. While some users report lackluster customer service, most praise the Pool Verneugen's performance, making it a solid option for maintaining large residential pools. Number 4. WaterTech Pool Blaster. This is a top choice for those who prefer a hands-on approach to pool cleaning. As a cordless, battery-powered manual vacuum, it eliminates the hassle of hoses while providing up to 1 hour of runtime, enough to clean pools of any size. With a 10.5-inch vacuum head for large areas and a crevice nozzle for tight spots, it offers great versatility. However, it doesn't include a pole attachment, so you'll need to purchase one separately. The Pool Blaster is capable of picking up debris of all sizes and features an easy-to-empty filter for convenience. If you enjoy the satisfaction of manually cleaning your pool and want a reliable, efficient option, this is an excellent choice. Number 5. iPair Pilot H2. This is a compact, cordless pool vacuum that's perfect for those with limited storage space. Users appreciate its lightweight yet sturdy build and quiet operation, with both standard and power cleaning modes running at under 50 decibels. With a fast 2-hour charge time, the Pilot H2 offers up to 70 minutes of cleaning efficiency. A 4-color LED indicator keeps you informed of the battery status. The vacuum comes with both a straight-line vacuum head and a brush-tipped vacuum head, which are compatible with standard pool poles. Its 1-liter filter canister is easy to remove and clean, making maintenance simple. Plus, the 12-month warranty and service agreement provide extra peace of mind. If you need a small yet effective cordless pool vacuum, the Aper Pilot H2 is an excellent choice. So which is the best? After testing them all, the Aper Pilot H2 stands out. With smart navigation, strong suction, and hassle-free cordless operation, it delivers the best cleaning performance. Let us know which one you'd pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.